How to fix Spotify not linking to Instagram Notes. Let's get started. First, make sure both your Instagram and Spotify apps are up to date. This is the most common fix for this issue. Open the App Store. Tap the search bar, type Instagram, and check if there's an update available. If there is, update it. Next, do the same for Spotify, search for it and update if needed. Keeping both apps updated helps avoid bugs when linking your music. Once both apps are updated, open Instagram and swipe to your DMs by tapping the chat icon in the top right corner. At the top, tap your profile picture where it says, Your Note. In the Note panel, tap the music icon. You should see an option to link Spotify. If you don't see the link Spotify option, make sure you're logged into your Spotify account on the same phone. Open the Spotify app and check if you're signed in. Still not working? Try restarting your phone and then trying again. This can refresh any temporary glitches. Finally, if it's still not working, check a site like downdetector.com to see if Instagram or Spotify is experiencing an outage. If their servers are down, you'll need to wait for them to fix it. And that's it. After these steps, you should be able to link Spotify to your Instagram Notes without any issues. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes.